this video we're going to provide you with an overview of how to use the View Data screen. To get to the View Data screen, you can do it a number of ways. One is you can click the View Data button up here on the ribbon bar. We also have a View Data up on the Quick Access bar, and you can also right click on any layer that you want and choose the View Data from there. Once you choose that, you'll see the View Data window pops up. This window can be dragged around or docked, and you can actually have multiple View Data windows up at the same time if you want to compare data from different layers. On the top left you have a drop-down box, and this allows you to switch between the data for different layers. So for example, if I want to switch to the states data, I can choose it there, or back to the countries. Here you have a record count, so we know that there's a total of 251 countries in this layer, and if we go back to the states, there's a total of 51 records in that one. You can sort all of the columns by clicking on the headings, and sort either way just by clicking again, backwards and forwards. You can also zoom into a particular record by just clicking the little zoom icon on the left hand side of the row. So for example, if we click here, now the map will zoom into Zimbabwe. Additionally, you can also filter your grid by setting up some conditions. So for example, if we wanted to find out how many countries were landlocked, we could just say we're landlocked equal to Y and hit OK and hit find here, and that will show that 43 of the countries, of the 250 countries, are landlocked. If we want to get back to our original data set, we can just go back to show all, and we'll go back to 251 of them. Now in some cases you may have multiple items selected from other operations you've done in the GIS editor, and if that's the case you can zoom to the selected features. So if you only have one, it'll do the same as clicking here, but if you had multiple, or you do select several different rows, you can zoom in that way as well. And then you can only show, if you want to see what's currently selected, you can check that checkbox too to show the ones that are currently selected. So the View Data screen can be very useful when you want to see your attribute data on your layers, and you want to filter it and sort it to see it a certain way. Thank you.